hurried out across before she walked away. He approached her like a little child, too scared for what she had to say. And so, darling, remember me. Now should we part or stay a while, as if we are still lovers? Baby, we're still the best of friends. Honey, as if we are still lovers. Oh, baby, we're still the best of friends. Baby, she took a moment just to recognize the man she knew so well before. And as he started to apologize, lose any bitterness she bore, yes, she gently put her fingers on his lips, let him know she understood. I know. And with her suitcase laying on the floor, embraced him like a lover would. Yeah. And so, darling, remember me, baby. Now should we part or stay a while, as if we are still lovers? Baby, we're still the best of friends. Yeah. As if we are still lovers. Oh, we're still the best of friends. Don't remember me, baby. Don't, please remember me. I'm your only lover. Ooh, baby.
Candy baby, candy baby, candy baby. It was on a chilly afternoon in May. Yeah. Oh well, the very first time you passed my way. Oh, indeed, I love the way you smile for me. Yeah. You make my life worthwhile. Candy, I love smile.